Hello everyone, REVAK Tech here, and I got an iPhone 6 on iOS 8. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Just before I actually talk about this iPhone, because I know people are going to comment about it, this is not the Apple buyer's iPhone 6. I know I get some of his devices sometimes, but this is not his. This I bought with my own money, and yeah, basically I found this one on eBay. It was going for $200 US. I was looking for an iPhone 6 before this, and I couldn't find one. And well, I also couldn't find one that was in a good condition. So I went out and I got this iPhone 6. So this iPhone 6 in particular is in extraordinary good condition. Like, the screen has a little bit of markings from like a case, but I haven't properly cleaned the device yet. These are just markings from like use. So the screen is in immaculate condition. There's not a single scratch on the device. If we turn the device around, the only problem with the device is these little tiny scratches in the plastic and one right here by the metal. This is just completely fine. This is in extremely good condition. Like, even the paint around the camera lens is completely mint. There's not a single scratch. And this device, I assume, has never been updated before, because if I hook this device up to coconut battery, but this device was manufactured in August of 2015, so I think this device has been on 8.4.1 for its entire life. So I got this device, as I said, for $199 on eBay. I think it was an extremely good deal. As you can see, it is on 8.4.1. It is a 16 gig, and it's on AT&T, which means I can unlock it. But yeah, I actually filmed an unboxing video. This is kind of a different type of unboxing video, I guess. I thought I'd give a little bit more character into the video. And I apologize too for that video. I actually just woke up and I filmed that, so that's why I'm not talking much, and that's why the video kind of was quick. Let's cut right to the unboxing video. Hello everyone, REVAK Tech here, and today I'm going to be unboxing an iPhone 6 on iOS 8. So, let's begin. So, let's unbox this iPhone 6 on iOS 8. Alrighty, so first of all, we are going to tear the packaging. Alrighty. So it's in a sleeve. Alrighty, here it is. This is the iPhone 6, so let's boot it up. Alrighty, now we're just gonna let it boot up for a minute, and yeah. This should be running iOS 8.4.1. This is actually running iOS 8. So, we go into settings, general, and about. As you can see, alrighty, so as you can see, it is running iOS 8.4.1. I guess that's it. So hopefully you do enjoy this video, and if you did, please smack that like button. Follow my Twitter, Instagram, links will be in the description. And as always, this is REVAK Tech, signing out.